Best resort in Coorg. Although it is expensive, but it is worth it. Food was the best I have ever tasted out of all the resorts. Location was perfect, rooms were big, everything was perfect except you just have to go really deep in a jungle to reach there. A mystical stay in Coorg. Ayatana is one of the most beautiful stays that we have been so far. Deeply connected with nature, felt like living in the forest with facilities. It was a fantastic choice of stay. Beautiful place and tasty food. Wonderful experience between the nature, love the ambience, food, cleanliness, room, facilities, staff, and most importantly natural waterfalls is my favorite spot. Best place for escape to nature. Had a wonderful stay with family and really exceptional about location, food and services provided. One of the best resort, very neat and clean rooms, nice hospitality. Everyone should visit once in a life. Best resort in India. Great ambience, great connecting rooms, cleanliness at its best, amazing waterfall. The best of all is their restaurant and their buffet options. Service and staff were with the best hospitality. Exceptional. The best stay in Coorg if we are looking for a getaway from our life to have a peaceful time. We don't need to go outside the property, it has more to explore in itself. Love the stay. Exceptional, top-notch. Our first trip. We had visited Ayatana Coorg as our first ever outing as couple post-marriage, and it turned out to be our most loved and cherished trip till date, and all due to the amazing landscape within the resort and friendly staff with delicious food. Perfect blend of nature and luxury. The place is full of activities and things to do. Highly recommend. Cozy and amazing stay. One of the unique and best experience we had. The buggy ride, zip line, private waterfalls, infinity pool, clubhouse, locality. Everything was top-notch here. Day spent well here. The food in restaurant is amazing, wide variety of options are available. I feel like visiting this place again.